Take one, exploding pickle.
With bottle rockets.
With bottle rockets.
No garlic?
Exploding garlic.
What does it look like?
Oh, it blew up.
That was pretty cool. That's beautiful, isn't it?
That's weird.
Exploding garlic. Again.
Take two.
This would be take two. Just, oh, there we go.
It jumped.
It didn't really explode.
It just jumped.
That was cool. There we go.
Up and then drop it. Well, you need to light the...
Pretty intense. They giggle. Sweet.
Where did it go? Okay,
That was beautiful. And there
Jack Daniels
is the bottom. Jack Daniels
It's dead.
is dead. I'm sorry to say.
There's a firecracker.
I know some of you loved him, but
Show
he's
the
dead.
label, show the label.
Goodbye, Jack Daniels.
Go!
Nope.
You can see the fire under it.
We are gonna explode an Oreo.
Got it?
Yep. Get that Oreo, baby. That was beautiful. That thing took off. All right, there's the cookie, and there's the other part of the
There's the
cookie.
cream.
It is right there.
There's some cream.
And that beavers.
All right, we got a water balloon. Woohoo! All right, water balloon, baby.
This is gonna be funny.
Which way is this thing pointing? Oh.
There we go.
Where'd it go? It just blew up. There it is.
You're gonna throw it in the water. Here.
Right there, man.
Throw it.
We have
Chewed bubble gum.
ABC gum, bubble gum, aka ABC gum. Haha. Could be blue. Bye, bubble gum.
Ah, it's super here.
It's Rice Krispies. It's still there.
I dare somebody to chew it now.
Still there. This proves that does not explode. That means if we're in a nuclear battle, it will survive.